The FDA approving a first-of-its-kind pill designed to dramatically lower bad cholesterol. Drug maker Merck says Lipfendra reduced LDL cholesterol by nearly 60% in the clinical trials. It targets the same protein as powerful injectable treatments, but can be taken once a day as a pill. Joining us with a look at this new pill, how it compares to statins, Dr. Chauncey Crandall, the director of the Palm Beach Clinic of Preventive Medicine and Cardiology, as well as a New York Times bestselling author. Dr. Crandall, it's great to have you this Friday. So talk to us about Lipfendra and what makes this approval different.
Well, Bianca, this is a new drug. It's a new pill, but the IV form has been out, or the injectable form has been out for some time. And the injectable form of this PCSK9 inhibitor has had dramatic changes in the way we treat elevated cholesterol and heart disease. So now we have it in a pill form. All the information isn't out, but it's very promising. It's a great drug that we can give to lower cholesterol dramatically by 50 to 60%. So for those people that are intolerant to statins, or those people that have resistant elevated cholesterol on statin therapy, this is the next line of treatment. So it's in pill form, and I believe it's going to be a big change, a big name changer for everything out there in cardiology.
You know, it also may potentially prevent heart attacks and strokes. There needs to be more research. That's pretty encouraging stuff, though.
Well, the injectable form has been a dramatic change. And I can tell you now, based on my experience, everyone that is on the injectable form of a similar drug, I have not seen one heart attack in any of those patients. So it is my go-to drug for people with advanced heart disease, and we get a lot of mileage out of it, and I'm very excited.
All right, now to this unhealthy air. It is the Midwest to the Northeast, a major story from the wildfires in Canada. What do you recommend to people who are outside? We've heard all of this concerns about maybe staying indoors, limiting, but it is the weekend, and we've had some people who obviously are going to be out with their families. What do you tell somebody this weekend?
Well, the people that we're most concerned about, because you can see the smoke here on the screen, is that this smoke has invisible particles and chemicals. These are irritants. And with people that have underlying lung issues, you know, COPD, emphysema, chronic bronchitis, or other lung issues, these particles get deep within the lungs. It causes an inflammatory reaction. They go into bronchial spasm, and they can have events which will lead to an ER admission. So people that have these conditions, special lung conditions, need to stay in an air-conditioned place till the air clears up. And it will clear up. But people need to understand, Bianca, that these are invisible particles, invisible chemicals that get deep into your lung and cause damage and irritation.
Great advice, Dr. Crandall. We thank you as always, and enjoy the weekend. And health is more than just the physical body. Of course, it's also our emotional and spiritual well-being. And you can get Dr. Crandall's book, Touching Heaven, today with a free offer. You can go online right there and check it out.
Information. Truth is freedom. Is Newsmax. It's real news for real people.